It's not just about taking a memory. It's making them believe they never had it.
I'm looking for someone. A girl.
Lots of girls in this city, Detective.
Her job was to change the client's memories. But sometimes when you open a memory, you find something you weren't supposed to.
These are murky waters, Detective. Do mind what lies beneath the surface.
You're lying to me.
Well, of course I am.
If you don't find her, if you can't stop her, we're going to have a war.
You think you know loss, but you still have something left of them. A part you carry with you. Maybe the only thing you still value in this world. Now imagine if I took that too.